So what's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel and another tutorial. If you want to build the Next.js website and want to host it on Hostinger, here's how to get it online quickly. First, make sure your Next.js project is statistically exported and locate the generated out folder. Now log into your Hostinger hPanel and open File Manager. Open the public HTML folder and upload all the files and folders from your Next.js out folder. Now, make sure the contents of out are directly inside public HTML, especially your index.html file. Now open your domain in a browser and check that your Next.js website loads correctly. For security, go to the website security, then SSL section in Hostinger and install or activate the available SSL certificate. And that's it. Your statically exported Next.js website is now hosted on Hostinger. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more web hosting tutorials.